I just wanted to ask. My guy got
Robbed at gunpoint. How you doing, everybody? I'm Scott Jelinek with the Master Investor Academy, and we just wanted to do a quick video for you today about a robbery that just happened. It was not me who got robbed at gunpoint, it was Alex. And I wanted to give you one tip on if you're in vacant houses, like Alex was this morning, on something that you can do. Not going to stop it from happening, but it may help. So first off, Alex, tell them what exactly happened this morning.
Went to go show a house, or basically just do my advertisements for everything, and there were people in there. Told them to leave, and all of a sudden there's a gun, and here I am now without a phone.
So they stole his phone. It could have been a lot worse. Obviously, every scenario could have been a lot worse. Not the end of the world. However, one little thing you can do to kind of help out is, obviously if someone wants to rob you, they're going to rob you. There's nothing you can do about that. However, most cases, I've had several times, I've never been robbed at gunpoint. Well, I've never been robbed at gunpoint showing a house, but there is something you can do. Most of the time when you run into somebody in your house, they're just squatters and you're startling them. And so the one thing that you can do is when you walk into a house, a vacant house, announce yourself. You can just yell out, "How you doing? I'm Scott, real estate investor," or whatever you want to say, just to let them know who you are and that you're here so that you don't scare them. Much like if you're ever hiking in bear country, they always tell you to wear bells on your feet, shuffle the leaves, ruffle the leaves, make a lot of noise, because the bear doesn't want you either. You just want to let him know that you're coming so that he's not startled. Same type of thing. If you walk into a vacant house, just announce yourself so you don't surprise anybody and walk in on anybody. Sorry that this happened. Obviously, it could have been a whole lot worse, though, so we just wanted to share that little tip with you while we were out here today meeting with the police officers. It was not actually in this particular house. We just left from that house and came on over here. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.
I really love that phone, too.